In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Dota 2 Valve anti-cheat error message. So you're gonna get this error message when trying to play Dota 2. Well, to fix this, first open up Steam application, click on library in the tab navigation, then just right click on Dota 2, right click on properties, click on the general tab, and come down to the launch options. Now if you see a text here, just go ahead and hyphen and secure. What you need to do is just go ahead and get rid of everything in here and then click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. This fixes any issue that might be regarding your Dota 2 error. Now once done, relaunch your game to see if the problem still persists. If it still doesn't work, go ahead and exit out of Steam and make sure you have closed it completely. So make sure you've completely shut it down. Then what we're going to do is open up the start menu and search for Steam. Right click on Steam and click on open file location. Now right click on Steam again, click on open file location this time, right click on Steam file again, click on properties, click on compatibility, and make sure to check the box next to run this program as administrator. Press apply and OK. Once you've done that, you can try opening up Steam and you can check to see if that solved the anti-cheat error message. Now, if that's not working, the final solution is to click on Steam in the top left hand side, click on settings, click on downloads, and then scroll down and click on the clear cache button and press confirm. Once you've done that, you'll be signed out of Steam application. You can check it back up and to see if Dota 2 is not working. If you have tried all these steps and still not working, you can always try to uninstall and reinstalling the game. There's another way to go ahead and fix this error. If this video helped you out, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.